Where you have to keep your bikes and go to a house here. So this person will provide you some ropes to climb down, and he will ask also for the permission which we got from the forest officer, range forest officer. Yeah, try to come with as less luggage as possible. Anupini kushidilla daaliji pattarag. Kunna, are you sure?
Yes, bro.
Mella mella.
7,000 sir. I call into the cut patal. Oh, test marking. Hey, yella bottle
Huh? In record man.
In record
avunu.
ಮೂಲೆ ಪತ್ತ ನೋಡು ಫುಲ್ ಮುಳ್ಳದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ ಆಯ್ನ ಅಂತ ಪತ್ತ ಬಿಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
From there you have to come straight and there's a path here. So previous one was not the way.
Start. Yes, we found the way. That was the wrong way. Don't go there.
Information already provided. And I'll cut that part. How do we get down? You can see how steep it is. Where is Mukunda? And where are we?
Even while coughing and stuff. This is the hard part, bro.
Oh.
Sit and come.
Oh.
Easier, huh? Yeah. Setting is easier. Hey, only hold the roots which are strong. You need 3 points of contact to be stable.
This camera I'm keeping inside now while getting down. How will I get down here? If my one hand is in camera.
Body thick on.
Okay. Kaustubh, very careful.
Very nicely.
Kaustubh, beautiful. Kunda, easy. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆ ಕಡೆಗಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂಡೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂಡೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Can we skip to the good part?
We literally came from the top there. It's almost 80 degree unda.
ಒಂದು ದಾದ 80 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ನಮ್ಮಗ ತೋಜಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಏನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಉಂಟು.
ಹಾ ಬಲ come on kabus super. Come on, next step here.
ನಿಲ್ಲು
triceps completed like little bit. It is very difficult.
Don't touch this tree. ಬಕ್ಕಲ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಅದೇ ರೋಜ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೆ
ಮಿತ್ತೆಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಅಂಚನೆ through the groin we came down. No, look up and come, go.
I think coming up is at least you can understand what to hold and come.
Easy. My pants are getting dirty. Sorry. The most riskiest trek. Huh? Hey, don't do that. ಒಂದು ಬೂರು ಅಂಚತ್ಯ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಪ್ಪಡಾವು ಬರ್ಚಿಮೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಬತ್ತನೆ ಸತ್ತು ಪೋಂಡು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ನೋ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಪಕ್ಕೆ ದೊರಕುವರೆ ಬಂಗವ ಉಲ್ಟಾನೆ ಬರೋಣ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲ ತಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೋಡು.
Basically for this you have to either come like this or
landslide.
Other way around. It's better to walk in the opposite direction. Sit and climb. Yes. Still we have long way to go. I think we are more than halfway.
You can hear the water.
We can hear the water but cannot see it yet. Probably in rainy season
back there.
This would have been a stream for water to flow. After all this, I think I can see the falls from here. Oh yes. Superb. Oh. Kaustubh. At this point we'll have to tie a rope and get down if you want to reach the base of the falls there. This has been a very hard, very not hard, risky trek.
Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to three when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me down, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Cause the problem is I love you.
After all the hard climb, you can see Kaustubh and Aditya are still there. We get to see this. Oh, it's so amazing. It took us around 1 hour to reach here. Oh, literally we had to come from the top there to here. Who is this bodybuilder? Face reveal in 3, 2, 1. That guy is eating buns there. 15 minutes. Like you could climb around 75%. Climbing up is actually easy. You just have to push your leg and then come up. Getting down, you'll have to find a place to keep your leg and then get down. I think we'll be finishing this trek in under 15 minutes. So in 25 minutes we were able to come back up. Coming back is actually easy. Yeah, so far so good. Now it's time to head back home. So we have Google Maps telling it is 142 kilometers to home now. And it is gonna take around 3 hours. So I think we'll be reaching anywhere by 9:30, 9 o'clock.